$10, huh?
Save a little bit. The sudden death of John Kennedy Jr. stunned the world.
I've had a question about proper roof caps and wall caps. And where do we get them when we're ventilating, saying, like a Genair stove or oven or cooktop or these big bathroom fans? And we're starting to run into a little bit of a glitch on where to get these specified roof caps, wall caps. And I'd like to let you know where I'm getting them at is at Grainger. And he's got a couple locations around town. This is his big catalog. You can also get them through Home Depot. And we're looking for the Brown company that's making these wall caps. And that's the trick, because they're the ventilating specialists, and they're making all of these types of roof caps. So Grainger will supply through Home Depot, or you can even buy from them. They'd love to help you out. They've got all kinds of things in their catalog for ventilating and things like that. And this is an example. Like, this is a roof cap. This is a small one that goes up around the shingles and things, and it's got the Cran-Man patented screen already inside of this hardware cloth. That keeps the birds from getting inside of there, because I'm always telling you, keep the birds and bugs out of there with the screen. So that comes already screened, and it's got a little damper inside of it. You can see that opens up when the exhaust is going to go out. Here's a big model. This is the other super hard to find one. When we're venting out these big, say like oven range hood fans with a 10-inch duct or 12-inch duct, and this is a big old baby. This is something that really gives a handyman a good day's work, putting one of these up on the roof. They also make wall caps and things like that. When we're specifying jobs, it's good to know the Brown has the wall cap and roof cap that you need. Keep that in mind, and you'll keep your house ventilated and nice and airy through the winter months. For the News 4 today, I'm Dale Cranston.
Well, it is the latest buzzword.